All right, we're going after pike today. These boys are already in attack position. I'm not. I'm long johned up. We're using tip drops and tip ups today with some big-eyed tuna for bait. Right there. That's going to be key. Yes, yes. Apparently we're going to be fishing like 10 feet off the road, so we're going to find out. Anyway, we'll see you out there. I seen it.
Yeah, so did I.
You guys see that? Oh, yeah, there it goes. This is one of those bait feeder.
Hopefully something's there.
Bait feeder. Can you use clicker? Oh!
There we go, baby.
Oh! Whoa!
We back. We back. Back at it again. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel.
Eli! Get the net!
Get the net.
Come on now.
Doesn't look that big.
Doesn't feel that big. I think it's just being all trapalicious and whatnot. There it is.
Go, number one, baby.
Our first DLP of the year. Just a wee fella, but on the STD. Chicago.
Already got game face on.
Yep.
Eli's gonna get a tip off that. That was a codfish. That was a
This is a Todd fish. Ooh, he's so big. Look at him turning just slow. I could tell by the rotation it's 42.5 incher. 42.
Oh.
With a lot of girth.
Yeah, that's unreal girth. That's about 12.5 minutes, huh, Eli?
A little bigger. A little bigger. Yeah. Ooh. There he is. That one's a little bit bigger. Whoop. We are keeping that fish.
Oh, there goes
Oh, hold on. Let him run for a second.
This one here? Yeah.
You'll just set him. There you go. I'll let that run for a
The
second.
tip up just went off.
Yep. We'll get.
He's a decent guy.
We can let that run for a minute.
He's gonna let a lot of line out. No chance to get tangled.
No, it'll be all right. There we go. Todd. There's the biggest one so far. Now. See it turning. Oh yeah. Must be a fish there, right? Yep, there's a fish there. Oh yeah, it does. Well, not yet. I have to actually I have to hook it. You got something right? There he is. Not a very big one, I don't think. Oh, just a little fella, I think. Yep. Double. Double. Yeah, I did. Huh. Sweet. One on the STD, one on the old tip up.
Who said I I was gonna fall.
That's Todd. Todd totally ate the ground. Oh. Oh, folks.
I literally pulled one of Oh my god.
I wish I would have got that on camera.
Oh, I hit my shoulder. I hit my groin. I hit everything. Oh, I didn't get him.
No?
No. No.
I was looking right at it.
I seen it on my peripheral.
First time this one's went off.
That's frozen in there good.
Better hold on. Maybe you want to let this one run for a half hour or so.
Let him cow. Swallow it first. Baby.
Todd is in the lead with a 4 3/4 pound northern.
Official weight.
We're unofficially gambling at $1 for the biggest fish.
Big money. From yesterday.
Yeah.
If I lose today, I break even. That's yeah, you bought a pop with the $1.
I did. My plan is to win so we can wash. Look at the intensity.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Big one? That's nice.
There you go. Another keeper.
You didn't see anything.
Here we go. Man, you know, I wonder if they just like that orange spinner. Or they like the orange spinner because that other flag over there has orange spinners on it too.
I have another one, I think.
Do you? Oh. There you go. There you go. Another good quality pike. Some. No. No, I don't. Get the net. Oh, did you? Oh, is it? Okay. Be careful, Todd. He is running.
Like a madman?
I'm about to nail.
I'm about to nail. Look, buddy.
Nailed him. Ooh.
See a little bit of.
Yeah.
There?
Ooh, that feels like 5 pounds.
5.7 pounds. I don't know about
No, he might not be. Nah, he ain't that big. He's just acting cool. Oh, maybe he's bigger than I thought. I don't think he's no giant, but.
I need my $1. Unless I catch something.
Come on.
You marking anything over either? Nothing. Either.
Oh, no, I don't think he's gonna be.
Good though.
He's a good one. He's a good one.
Good one's edible.
Oh, yeah.
Nom nom. Pliers.
If I can just get this turned around. Nah, it's not gonna work. God, yeah. Oh well, it's a nice one. Just so everybody know, we moved across the road. We were over there across the lake, and on the other side of that road, we weren't catching nothing. So we're out here trying to road bed, and decent pike. We've been here probably been set up for what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, not that long.
Not that long, but sweet. Ha! There it is.
You schmucked it.
Told you there's big walleyes out here.
We gotta get deeper. This is 14. Oh, is that what you said? Yeah. Oh, no, you got them pliers? Here, baby.
Somewhere I do. Huh? Is it there? I was gonna say. Oh yeah, barely even moving, huh? Yeah. Well, it's not the 40 incher, but
Todd?
no. Another one of the old STD. This is gonna be all jiggly and sniggly. Todd's back there texting. Well, pike fishing didn't go fantastic today. We didn't get anything really big. Todd got the award for the biggest pike. He won $1 from both of us unofficially. Oh. But all we were using, by the way, were smelt on quick straight rigs on tip drops and tip ups. We fished 3 different spots. Well, I fished a bunch of spots today, actually. But the 2 you saw on video were, we were 10 feet off the road first, and then we drove 3 miles across the lake to a roadbed where we got just a few more. Anyway, not super exciting for you guys probably, was for us, because we're out on Devil's Lake fishing all day long. Yeah. Anyway, peace out.